Alright, in the last video we mentioned that DJ's new car is kind of crusty on the inside.
He's got a little crust.
We also mentioned that I locked myself out of my car, but today me and DJ Jimmy did open and we're able to get in there and open it, so.
Used the stick from like a rifle cleaning kit.
Yeah, it worked perfect. DJ got a bunch of like cleaning stuff we're gonna use on this bad boy.
Yeah, bro, here. Gallon of simple green.
Wow.
Lemon scented.
There's some spots in here that are pretty bad, like this. It's not like super terrible or anything, but there's definitely like some places that we can clean up.
Fucking...
Yeah, and then we might want to put on some gloves for this part.
Oh yeah, bro. Chew spit central.
What is this? Like mud or?
I don't know. Probably poop.
Probably.
So I guess one of the previous owners had kids, and so like
they pooped in here.
They took a big shit. You know what? This, to me, that right there, that's a fucking push pop that melted in some kid's car seat.
Yeah.
That's what I think it is.
I can see that.
This is definitely like a cigar. That's probably from a blunt. And then this is just Sharpie, which I guess
we got the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser.
Yeah, Mr. Clean Magic Eraser apparently does pretty good on that. But the biggest job today is gonna be in and around the fucking cup holders that got like years of fucking wintergreen, skull,
yeah,
you name it.
We could probably save some for Parker. You'll use it. Ooh, there's some nasty crusties over here.
Yeah, on the floor.
Yeah. What?
Yeah.
What
I don't know about that. I don't know what to do about that. Looks like a milkshake to me.
Yeah. You know what else looks like milkshake?
What?
Poop.
I bought this. This is a denture brush. Bought it at Rite Aid. Pretty cool.
For like fake teeth?
No, for dentures. Hee hee.
What?
I'm just joshing you, Quanch. Mmm.
Oh. Mr. Clean will get that. Guaranteed.
Ooh, this will get it too, though. Dang. Exhilarating content.
Yeah, this is great. Ooh.
Crust gang.
What? Ah!
You good?
What is all that stuff?
That's just stuff, bro. What do you know about stuff?
Oh my god.
Love that noise. Best noise ever.
Not really working. Kinda working.
It's not the same as when we started.
It's a little better.
We'll come back to that.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
What are we gonna title this? Like fucking old man finds great pleasure in
Wiping down.
maintaining his wagon. Let's call it Bald Man Cleans Car.
Yeah. Very direct. This is what I'm most excited for. I ain't touching it though.
Yeah, this is just foreplay back here. Usually foreplay happens in the front seat and then moves to the back seat.
Not in this case.
Not in this car, though. This is a wagon. We do it where we want. Yo, do you think they call it Magic Eraser because it's good at erasing magic marker?
I don't think so.
Yeah, me neither. Because it clearly
doesn't. It's looking good.
Yeah, it's a big improvo.
Bust out that leather conditioner.
No, that's for the end. That's for the
Oh.
area. This is where a thumbnail would probably come in handy, but I'm afraid to get this under my thumbnail.
Yeah. We could make it a thumbnail.
Damn.
Looks like Hawaii now.
Yeah, it's tropical. I might just leave it. All Gas No Brakes has an interview that's on Pornhub.
Really?
Yeah, because he interviews 2 porn stars while they're fucking.
That's hilarious.
He's a visionary, man. Oh, it's the final fucking stretch, bro. This is gonna take 100 years because it's the last little bit.
There's a reason it's the last bit.
Exactly.
Alright, we're starting on the worst part of the car.
This is the chumbucker right here.
Yeah.
This is the crust nugget.
This is where the cranddaddies live.
Yeah, bro. When the camera wasn't rolling, I said the worst part about this is gonna be getting down in all the nook holes in the cranddaddies.
That's what we should title this video.
Just no context. Getting down in the nook holes in the cranddaddies. It is gross, and I am stalling when it comes to this cup holders.
How are we gonna? We need like a spoon.
So I plan on maybe using a utility of some sort to get all those
Like a spoon.
coins out. So that, yeah, like a spoon. Yeah, and then I just want to get just to where it's pure spit.
Yeah.
And then clean it.
So we
from
can
there.
salvage that. Can't be chewing on no pennies.
You know, we're getting there though. One day we'll reach. Oh my god, that cleaned up so nice.
Yeah, jeez.
Oh. I should have gotten into detailing, man. This shit's satisfying.
Oh.
Oh, now that's satisfying.
I be practicing detailing every night.
Apparently. It's always important to get down here. Take it from a master of the sacred art of detailing.
Yeah.
I just hope that all that liquid goes somewhere good.
Where's the good spot?
That's what I've been trying to learn by detailing, practicing, trying to find where the good spot is. I keep like forgetting that what I'm cleaning off is another human's fucking sputum.
Sputum. Onward and upward.
Look at my knucks. That's crust knucks, bro. All right, well, no more pussyfooting.
No.
Time to get our hands dirty. I might just suck it out with my teeth. We might have gloves inside.
Yeah, the cat has gloves.
Today we become men.
Oh,
fuck, bro.
He's caked.
Oh no. Oh no.
I'm scared of it smelling funny.
I think this is old enough that smelling is beyond its time, you know. This is a land before smell. Oh no, did I break something? No.
How much?
We're not even gonna talk about it because you know there's not a chance I'm keeping any of this.
Oh no, I was gonna say how much to suck those pennies clean.
Oh yeah, and a number that big doesn't exist, so same answer.
You wouldn't do it for a milli?
Oh bro, we are vaping, bro. That's a cartridge.
Oh.
A lot of people in the audience will know what that is.
$1 million you wouldn't suck those pennies dry?
$1 million? All right, yeah, maybe for me. Like all of the pennies? Like I had to pick out all the pennies and suck just the pennies dry?
No, just like that handful.
Yeah, that's worth $1 million to me, dude. What are you talking? I might do that for like
100,000.
40 grand. Not even that, really. If you gave me 10 grand, I might do that.
Yeah,
I mean,
30 bucks.
30 bucks? Maybe 40 bucks.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's...
What is that?
My best guess is 2 spit. Anything beyond that is a mystery.
I don't want to know.
Maybe it's that. Like...
Oh, I think I smell it.
Yeah, I can kind of smell it.
Ugh.
It's kind of chocolatey though.
Yeah.
in the way that like Guinness is chocolatey.
That's why I was scared. I knew it wasn't going to smell bad, but the reason, the fact that it doesn't smell bad.
Smells.
Yeah.
Or you know what it smells like. I'm going to throw these away. Don't let the Federal Reserve see this video.
All right. I think they would consider you doing them a favor.
You're probably right.
For getting rid of those. Oh my god.
Yeah, big whiff.
Yeah. It's not the land before smell.
It's not. Yeah, we're in the stink center now. I don't know why I didn't do that earlier. Ugh. Bro, this video gets any views, it's gonna be for the same reason that Dr. Pimple Popper gets views.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this thing needs a bath. I don't even know, like once I get it all loosened up, I don't even know how I'm gonna get it out of there. Oh, it doesn't smell good. But it's gonna be so rewarding to put a drink in there. The guy I bought this from was just gonna take it to a detailer.
Yeah.
Like imagine the poor schmuck who would have had to clean, wait.
And you ain't even getting paid.
I ain't even getting paid for
It's in there.
This one cup spot is starting to become less disgusting.
That one's getting a nice soak.
Yeah, yeah, that'll be easy work.
Mixing up a nice soup in here.
This is what's for dinner. Oh, this front one's kind of done. It looked a lot better a second ago, but I swirled the fluid around. But the problem with this one is I can't see, so I don't...
Scrub the shit out of it.
Yeah. Oh! Alright, we gotta find a smarter way. Come on, get in there. It kind of worked pretty well.
Sound like a dirty diaper.
It may as well be. At least a dirty diaper has like a natural earthly explanation, you know? Like you know where that came from. This is like...
This is beyond us.
This is
beyond worldly.
Yeah, man. This is redneckery. Can't be comprehended. Oh, that's nice now. This is a new car. Wow, I mean, already that's huge.
Yeah.
Look at that. Get a straight fucking bird's eye. Yeah. Cool.
A little bit of touching up, cleaning everything else around it.
Never thought it was possible. I thought I'd just be spitting in there till it died.
Might have had to take up chewing.
Yeah, I was gonna start just to
continue the tradition.
The spirit of the car, you know? Oh, God. I set this bitch to stream because it needed that pressure.
Yeah.
I mean, think of where we started. Wow. Holy shit.
Nice.
That's crazy.
It's a little stained, but I don't think that's coming out.
Yeah, I think that's beyond my power. Fucking clean the shit out of this brush and then use it on that seat in this. Try to get this
Oh yeah.
stain out of here. It's not stained, but like it's just ground in.
I think magic eraser might work on that. Looking good back here.
Yeah, so this is why I got the leather conditioner, because I'm pretty sure all this is just gonna dry the shit out of this leather or make it like tacky. Like I feel like this is already sticky. I'm hoping the leather conditioner will help that out a bit. I mean, like how many spills of the dip cup do you think that equates to, you know? Like was it just one big one?
I think it was one big one and then he was like, fuck it, and just started spitting. I gotta take a after picture now. Beef or after?
Oh yeah? Oh no, I mean, reverse that. Here, move your leg.
Squared it up on that. Yeah. That's those upstairs bathroom faucet handle just fell. Dang dude, pretty good up in here.
Dang bros.
Dang bros. Is it coming or what?
Yeah, it's coming hard. Dang bros.
Some vanilla milkshake right there.
Oh, that ain't vanilla, bro.
Oh, nice. That came right up.
Well, wasn't that exhilarating?
Yeah, it's nice to see it clean now.
Yeah, like
It was pretty bad,
it was really bad.
especially if you were driving people around,
Like customers and shit, they would get in there and go like, "Ugh," and then pass out and then end up and I just drive in there. I don't know. What do you say after a video about cleaning the inside of a Passat?
I don't know. Hopefully we can start working on this again soon though.
Yeah.
We just broke into it today, so we can actually drive it to the shop now. But there's a couple things I want to do to it. I kind of planned on bringing it down to Charles this weekend, but I was locked out of it and just broke into it today. And it's already Saturday, so too late for that. But there's a couple things I want to do. All right, well, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this video if you did.
Yeah. Fuck, dude. Can't blame you. Yeah, and if you chew tobacco,
DJ's got a nice clean cup holder here for you
Yeah.
to spit in if you want.
I was gonna say that shit's gross, but you probably know that.
Peace out. Thanks for watching.
Go take a bath.
On my Louis V soda can. I just no scope, yo bitch, check the bandy can. 10 racks in my hands, call me Edward Van Hands. I was in a band, man, we were called the Band Band. Meet me at the Denny's, cause I'm cooking up a band slam. Yeah. I have way more money than you. Ran out of pockets, keep money in my shoe. 10 rollies on my wrist, dream come true. Granting all my wish, that's what the money do. Rolling up a swish, puff till I turn blue. Double styrofoam dish, brain turned to goo. I don't really care, cause the doctor make it new. I'm really rich, and that's what the money do. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah. Ooh, yay. Woo, yeah. Blah, 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 pussy, money, money, weed. Yada, 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 got a wad of paper all green. Henny, 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 roly-polies for my team. Zanny, Molly, Percocet, and promethazine. Got a lot of Lamborghinis in my Lambo account.